Okay, this is my fourth video, and these are my notes of the reading. And okay, let's start. What is the important in this reading? I think that the most important thing in the reading are basically two things, three. And one is the all about the processes of the manage of the skill. And for example, the project schedule management has a process to manage the finish of the project at a specific time. These processes make easier the management of the schedule. Okay, the first one is to planify the schedule management. This contains the politics, the procedures, the documentation. Another one is to define the activities. This is to identify the documentation of the actions that will be done in the project to get the deliverables of the project. Another one is to sequence of the activities. These are to identify and document the relation between all the activities of the project. Another one is to estimate the duration of the activities. This is to carry out the number of work periods that has to be used to finish the activities, the individual activities, with the available resources. Another one is to develop the skill, and this is to analyze the sequence of the activities, the durations, the required resources, and all this to create a model of the skill, and obviously to control all the skill. Another point important is that a skilled project director has to know the key concepts like the project management and the methods to planify all the skill. And there is an experienced project manager that has a more like a flexible skill. This is because it has to adapt to the acquired knowledge and has to have a greater understanding of the risk, and also has to consider the value added activities. And the third point is that the scope to a long time it is more difficult because of the changes that has this globalized and competitive world. And the planification, the adaptative planification has it define a plan at the beginning, but during the process it has a lot of changes of the priorities. It depends of the knowledge of the acquired knowledge. So these are the more important things that I found. And the question is, what activities must be included in the plant schedule management? I think that almost every activity has to be included, but it can't contain all the activities because they don't know what could happen because of the risk, because of the changes of the world. So it can't have all the activities. And what don't you understand? I only have a doubt, and I want to know more about this, about the skilled project manager and the experienced project manager. What is the main difference added to this difference that I say? I want to know more about each one of these project managers.